My name is Ben Clymer Jr. and I've been working with Luke and also with Harry for about 10 years now. Working with Vantage has been wonderful. The service is great, the follow-up is great. When I have questions, they get back to me right away. And the programs that they offer, and especially the whole life policies that I have in place, have been working exactly as they have been designed to work. I think the biggest difference is in the past, it was just the agent themselves versus with Vantage, they have an entire support team. So it's not just Luke or Harry that I'm interacting with. They have a whole team in the back end that helps support them for their clients. For me, the most important aspects of the products that they offer is the whole life policies, because we designed them from the very beginning to be that banking business really for our family's banking needs. And so having your own bank that you're paying yourself interest versus a third party has been extremely beneficial, and I could offer several different specific examples of how they've benefited me over these last 10 years. So the emblem on my shirt is the logo for my brother and I. We own a collision repair company that has 6 locations here in Southern California. It was started 34 years ago by our parents, who have since retired and are enjoying their very well-earned retirement. And we use the banking policies as an additional tool for our business as well.
How do you feel about the future?
Oh, extremely confident. The reason I feel confident, we've been able to, first you have to, like any business, you have to build it up before you as an owner dare risk taking some proceeds from a business. So this is no different. If you stick to the program and you put the funds into the whole life policies to build them, you now have the opportunity to take those withdrawals for other needs, such as maybe a vehicle or equipment. And we've done that. I've been able to get 3 different vehicles through the policies and pay the policies the proceeds. I've also been able, because we've built up the policies first, have been able to take funds to put down payments on 2 commercial properties as well, which was massive for us. It was a huge win. And so I would strongly recommend, if you're looking into whole life policies, treat them no different than you would if you were taking a loan from a bank. But there's major benefits of the policies over a regular bank. One of the biggest benefits is, one, you're gonna set your own interest rate. And I would encourage everyone to pay themselves high interest rather than trying to charge them a low interest. The flexibility too. So due to businesses, you have different cash flow constraints. Sometimes cash flow is exceptional, and sometimes if you're out buying a lot of equipment, cash flow can drain down. The flexibility of lowering your monthly payments or even pausing your monthly payments is not something you're going to get with a regular run-of-the-mill bank versus your own policies, because in the end, you own the policy. So you're only penalizing yourself. So if you can be responsible, you can be diligent, and you can be faithful to the program, and realizing at times you may need that flexibility, the flexibility alone is a massive advantage. The other advantage is the paperwork. You're not going through a mountain of paperwork to get pre-qualified. You're not turning in 2-3 years tax returns, both of the business and personal. You're not sending in W-2s and other 1099s for dividends or anything to prove your income. It's your money. So you're literally just filling out, it's about a 6-page request form, and 5-6 business days later, the money's in your bank.
What are a few words that you would use to describe Vantage?
If I only had to choose 3 or 4. Reputable, honorable, diligent, competent.